Reading, the path to becoming a perfect man. In the realm of personal development and self-improvement, the act of reading holds a distinguished position as a transformative tool. The phrase, "reading makes a perfect man," encapsulates the idea that engaging with literature can contribute significantly to one's intellectual, emotional, and moral development. This essay explores the multifaceted benefits of reading and delves into how it can shape an individual into a well-rounded and virtuous human being. The cognitive benefits of reading. At its core, reading is a cognitive exercise that stimulates the brain, enhancing various cognitive functions. When an individual engages with written material, whether fiction or non-fiction, the brain is compelled to process information, interpret symbols, and comprehend complex ideas. Scientific studies have consistently demonstrated the positive effects of reading on cognitive abilities such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and vocabulary expansion. Reading also plays a crucial role in the development of empathy and emotional intelligence. Through the vicarious experiences of characters in novels or real-life stories in non-fiction, readers are exposed to a diverse range of emotions and perspectives. This exposure fosters a deeper understanding of human emotions and cultivates empathy, allowing individuals to connect with others on a more profound level. Furthermore, the act of reading requires sustained focus and concentration. In a world characterized by constant distractions, the ability to immerse oneself in a book and sustain attention is a valuable skill. This focused attention translates into improved concentration in other areas of life, contributing to enhanced productivity and the capacity for deep work. The moral and ethical dimensions of reading. Beyond its cognitive benefits, reading is a vehicle for moral and ethical development. Literature, especially works of fiction, often presents readers with moral dilemmas and ethical quandaries. Characters grapple with choices that force readers to reflect on their own values and beliefs. This introspection, prompted by the moral dimensions of literature, can lead to the refinement and solidification of one's ethical framework. Classic works of literature, such as those by Tolstoy or Dostoevsky, often explore profound existential questions and moral complexities. The engagement with such literature challenges individuals to confront their own moral convictions and consider alternative perspectives. This process of moral exploration contributes to the development of a strong moral compass, guiding individuals in making ethical decisions in their own lives. In addition, reading literature from diverse cultures and historical periods broadens one's understanding of the complexities of human nature. Exposure to different cultural norms and moral frameworks fosters cultural competence and tolerance, enabling individuals to navigate a globalized world with sensitivity and open-mindedness. The art of communication and expression. An often overlooked aspect of reading is its contribution to effective communication and expression. Through exposure to well-crafted language in literature, individuals not only expand their vocabulary but also develop a nuanced understanding of language as a tool for communication. Reading enables individuals to articulate their thoughts more eloquently and persuasively, facilitating clearer and more impactful communication. Moreover, literature, particularly poetry and creative writing, provides an avenue for self-expression. The act of reading and writing poetry, for instance, allows individuals to explore and convey their emotions in a unique and artistic manner. This expressive dimension of reading contributes to emotional well-being and fosters a sense of fulfillment and creativity. Cultivating a reflective mindset. Reading encourages a reflective mindset by prompting individuals to contemplate the themes, messages, and lessons embedded in the material. Whether it's a philosophical treatise, a historical account, or a work of fiction, literature invites readers to engage in critical reflection. This reflective process goes beyond the immediate narrative and encourages readers to apply the lessons learned to their own lives. Moreover, reading can serve as a form of self-help and personal development. Many books in the self-help genre offer valuable insights and practical advice on topics such as time management, goal setting, and emotional resilience. By incorporating these lessons into their lives, individuals can strive for continuous improvement and personal growth. The power of imagination and creativity. Reading is a gateway to the realm of imagination and creativity. When individuals immerse themselves in a well-written novel or poetic work, they are transported to different worlds and exposed to new ideas. This imaginative journey stimulates creativity and encourages individuals to think beyond the confines of their immediate reality. Children's literature, in particular, plays a crucial role in fostering creativity and imagination. Fairy tales, fables, and fantasy stories ignite the imaginative spark in young minds, laying the foundation for creative thinking and problem-solving in adulthood. The ability to think creatively is a valuable asset in navigating the complexities of life, fostering innovation, and finding novel solutions to challenges. The phrase, "reading makes a perfect man," holds profound truth in capturing the transformative power of literature. Reading transcends the boundaries of entertainment and intellectual exercise. It shapes individuals on cognitive, emotional, moral, and creative dimensions. The act of reading is a journey of self-discovery, a path that leads to a more profound understanding of oneself and the world. As individuals engage with literature, they cultivate cognitive abilities, develop moral fortitude, enhance communication skills, and nurture creativity. Reading is not a passive activity but an active and participatory process that enriches the mind and soul. In a world that is constantly evolving, the timeless practice of reading remains a steadfast means of personal growth and development. In striving for perfection, individuals should embrace the transformative power of reading. By making reading an integral part of their lives, individuals can embark on a journey towards becoming well-rounded, empathetic, and virtuous human beings. As the pages of books unfold, so too does the potential for personal and intellectual flourishing, making reading an essential pursuit on the path to perfection.